Good morning. So after a lot of searching around and scouting, I eventually found a roof rack which I like. I really love the design and everything. So I am now off to Predator Offroad to have that assembled, or well, installed, that's the word I'm looking for, to have the roof rack installed. So come along and let's go install some new mods to my bakkie.
Okay, how's it guys? So it's Wyatt from Predator Offroad here. We're going to be assembling our Streamline rack for Dieter. So basically the principles of the Streamline rack, low profile, takes the contour of the roof, and you get an integrated wind deflector as well. So as you see behind me as well, that is now the full platform from its top view. So what we're doing now is just assembling the assemble process of the rack. Once you get it, it'll be flat packed, and then you'll get the instructions to assemble. And this is the process basically of assembling the crossbars. We've already done the install on the vehicle, the mounting brackets. So once we're done here, then that's basically transferring the rack to the vehicle and tightening down.
It is extremely bright out here, but there we have it. Roof rack is assembled and on and installed. Yeah, very happy with it. It looks really cool on the car. I asked him, it's a bit of a custom build because it's pushed more forward than he usually does it. So it's more in line with the, what you call it, windshield. So it looks like a roof extension instead. But yes, I'm very happy. I drove on the highway at 120 kilometer highway speed, and a little bit of road noise, like wind noise, but nothing major at all. If you have your music on, then you don't hear it at all. So Predator Offroad, that's the roof rack, that's the guy who made my roof rack. If you want to see more of his stuff, the link in the description is below for Predator Offroad's website and social media accounts, all below. So go check it out, but for now, cheers!